class 7th and 8th present the beloved and lively Nati of Himachal Pradesh, the land of gods and goddesses, which needs no introduction, I am sure. This folk dance is performed by ordinary people rather than professional dancers. It is very usual that on special occasions, the villagers will gather, sing and dance, accompanying themselves on a variety of folk instruments. We conclude the variety program. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed presenting it. Needless to say, it required a great deal of dedicated practice on the part of the students under the tireless guidance of the teachers. However, all this would not have been possible without the gentle guidance, constant encouragement and motivation, and dynamic leadership of our respected principal, Sister Rosalie, who took personal interest in every item and extended valuable advice to help us improve our performances. Our profound gratitude is also due to our superior, Sister Alma, who works so selflessly for the greater glory of this institution. May I now call upon His Lordship to kindly address the gathering.
My dear parents, all of you who are here, I am sure with this last beautiful item, beautiful Himachal Pradesh, all of us have seen something so colorful, so meaningful. And I would just like to focus on that play, the girl child, which held us all spellbound. And when I was watching that, it started playing within me. And the message that we all get, we don't have to wait for something terrible to happen in our life before we begin setting our life on the right lines. All of us have witnessed that there is a goodness in all of us, and we can make our lives once again beautiful. A great saint said, we leave the past to God's mercy, the present to His love, and the future to His providence. I want to congratulate all the beautiful children, the tremendous focused energy from the little ones to those who just finished. All the items had tremendous focused energy, the energy of the young people, the future for our nation. And all of us witnessed a harmonious endeavor where all of them together were able to make such an exhilarating performance. All of us can go back with tremendous hope, with that goodness that is there in all of us, and we can live a life shared in love. I'm reminded of a beautiful saying. In the evening of our life, we will all be judged by the love we have shared. In that beautiful play, all of us are aware that finally love triumphs, love remains. And I pray and I ask the Lord that all of us, when we go back from here, who have been inspired, who have been enlightened, who have been touched, that we share in this beautiful love which the children have portrayed so wonderfully to us. I want to say congratulations to Sister Rosalie, principal, so beautifully thanked and appreciated, our superior, Sister Alma, our community, and all of you, my dear parents, and all the wonderful teachers, and the students who are somewhere around this auditorium behind or down in the basement. We must say thanks to all of you who worked to make this such a beautiful afternoon. See the number who are still here. God bless you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father. May I now call upon our respected principal, Sister Rosalie, to propose a vote of thanks.
Today has been a memorable day which will go down in the history of Chelsea in golden letters. A long-awaited dream, a long-standing vision has been materialized with a great deal of effort put in by the Superior Sister Alma. However, I wish to extend my profound gratitude to those who have supported us and given us the strength and the motivation. I would like to begin with His Lordship. I am extremely thankful to you, Lordship, Ignatius Mascarenhas, for your gracious presence in our midst and for blessing us on an annual hall. Thank you, Your Lordship, for taking time out to be with us even though you are hosting a regional seminar. Your presence means much to us, and I thank you for your prayerful support, concern and interest at all times and your constant words of encouragement. We are indeed privileged to Sister Provincial has already left, but I must say we are really indeed grateful to Sister Provincial for having spent her time with us. Sister had to leave because of commitment, but she was with us, adjusting her schedule to spend some time with us to encourage, to inspire and guide us, her sisters.